Basic presentations within the PowerPoint program. You will learn to create new presentations, open previously created presentations, save presentation changes, and then close those presentations. This particular lesson will acquaint you with the process of opening a presentation. To open a presentation, you must first know where the presentation you want to open is located. This location could be within a folder on your computer, a network folder, a CD-ROM, or perhaps located on some other type of removable media. Once you know where the file is located, you can open it by using the Open dialog box. You can access this dialog box by clicking the File tab in the ribbon, and then clicking the Open command button. In the Open dialog box that appears, you navigate to the location of the presentation that you want to open. You should see an icon for the presentation file, along with the presentation's file name in the files and folders shown in the Open dialog box. To open a file from the location that you've selected, you can click the icon for the file that you want to open, and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. Alternately, you could also just double-click on the icon of the file shown in the Open dialog box in order to open the file. Now you can also use this dialog box to simultaneously open multiple presentations from the same location. To do this, you follow the same exact steps, but this time when you are selecting files from the listing shown in the Open dialog box, you click on the first one, and then you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click on each other file that you want to open if they are non-adjacent or not next to each other. Now if the files are adjacent or next to each other, you can hold down the Shift key instead of the Control key, and then just click on the last one in the list, and then everything between the two files will be selected. Once you've selected the files, you can then release your keyboard keys that you're holding down, and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. This will open all of the highlighted or selected presentations. Now also notice that if you are simply trying to open a recently accessed presentation, you can click the File tab in the ribbon, and then click the Recent command. You can then just click on the name of the recently opened file that appears in the listing within the center of the Backstage view.